Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com.
Disturbing and shocking details have surfaced this evening about the operations of the Qahal Yahweh religious group in St. James.
From young girls having their genitals shaved during special ceremonies to being groomed to perform sexual acts on older men.
It comes as the police lay additional charges on several members of the church. Kalisha Williams has that story.
On July 1, 13 members of the cult-like Qahal Yahweh Church were charged for breaches of the Child Care and Protection Act. Today, several other members were charged, again for breaching the Child Care and Protection Act, as well as breaches of the Marriage Act and wounding with intent. While the police did not give the specifics, trusted sources told TVJ News that what the authorities have discovered so far is disturbing. We were told young girls at the church were being groomed for older men, and if they refused to carry out sexual acts, they were brutally beaten. That's where the wounding with intent and breaches of the Child Care and Protection Act come in. Also, in some instances, young girls have had their armpits and vaginas shaved in front of the entire congregation to prepare them for sex, again, in most cases with older men. It is not clear who carries out the punishment, but we were also told in one instance a young man was beaten so badly that he fled the country. The authorities have been closely monitoring the activities at the church for a few years now and have been criticized for failing to shut down the facility. However, the children's advocate had told TVJ News that due process had to be followed, and it is especially difficult with members denying any wrongdoing. The leader of the group even took to social media to clear his name and vent his frustration with what he described as being frequently targeted by the police. Now it's left to be seen whether the Qahal Yahweh will continue operations. Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.